Morning, friends. So welcome to our next video in how to create websites and blogs without coding or HTML. Our group is on WhatsApp, and we've touched domain name and hosting. And quickly, we're going to, after you've made payments on the Google host site, you will receive emails. You've made payment, you will come to reply their invoice email with the screenshot of your payment. They will give it to you here. But there is another faster method for you to be able to make payment next time. I'll be showing you in the next video. Then after you have made a payment and they've confirmed, they're going to send you two emails. One, your hosting details, and second, your domain name registration. So this one is the domain name registration that they've approved your domain name. If anyone else search it, it will not be available. It is now yours. Then the second email is hosting details. This particular email fell into another category. Sometimes if you don't see the email, you check your spam messages, whether you will see spam box, whether you will see the email. So this is what we're going to use to connect and to create our website. This particular email is titled hosting details. If you scroll down, you'll see here. So the domain is for a year, but the hosting I bought just for this program, I bought for a month. At the end of this month, I'll renew for 6 months or 3 months, thereabout. So we have this. This is the Cpanel. This particular one is the Cpanel. If you click on this is where we'll begin to create our site. This link that has the /Cpanel or this is the IP address. This is the username you will use to log in. When you go inside, you can change this username and password. If you scroll down, if you register the domain and hosting on two different registrars, you will need to carry this one when the hosting company gives you and point the domain to it. I'll do that in another video. So these are the details. It is repeated here again. So we're going to go. So presently now, if we click on this, if we click, you can click. But I'm using another browser. I'm going to use Chrome to build it because Chrome seems to be faster with me. So if I click on this, .com, it will show you this website is under construction. If you click Google Host, everybody that comes to this site when I've not built will go to Google Host website to build, to buy domain and hosting. So it's like once you don't build the site, it's an opportunity for them to even get more customers. This website is under construction. You can see pix.com.ng. I come back to my browser here. I come up, I click the one for the Cpanel. The one for the Cpanel details. Yes, you can click, but I'm using moving into another browser. That's why I come here, I click here, and I put it into my URL locator. Your session cookie invalid. So I need to put in my username and my password here. When it brings this out, I will copy my username and my password. When you're copying, you can type everything out one by one, but when you're copying, if you copy the space, it will show the email will be wrong. pixcom1, that is the password to access this. So I type it in. Insert my password and I click login successfully. Now we begin to build. I want to remember this. So this is your Cpanel. So it is pix.com.ng /Cpanel. When you come here, you scroll down. You scroll down to there's email. A lot of things. We'll be building emails, but we're going down to insert the software. This is software here. Scroll and go down. We're going to Softaculous. It's another application we'll use it's an installer. You can install WordPress, you can install Abante Cart. Joomla is another content management system. There are a lot of them. This one mostly they use it for building a community in an online group. A lot of them, but we're using WordPress. So click on WordPress quickly. click on WordPress. It brings us here. These are the features. We've not installed before. I want to install. This is WordPress. I install one. Yeah. Okay. Step back a little. We'll come back here. Scroll down to Softaculous. Softaculous app installer. It brings me. WordPress is a web software you can use to create beautiful websites or blog. We like to say that WordPress is both free and priceless at the same time. The core software is built by hundreds of community volunteers, and when you are ready for more, there are thousands of plugins and themes available to transform your site into almost anything you can imagine. Over 60 million people have chosen WordPress to power their place on the web they call home. We love you to join the family. WordPress is an open source project, which means there are hundreds of people all over the world working on it, more than most of commercial platforms. It also means you are free to use it for anything from your recipe site to a Fortune 500 website without paying anyone a license fee. Click install now. So when I come here, HTTPS is what I will use. They will give you, Google gives you HTTPS for 6 months for free. Now, if I want to build a site on pix.com.ng, take note, I would remove this WP. If I leave this WP, it will be, the URL will become pix.com.ng/WP. If I insert blog here, it will be pix.com.ng/blog. But I want the website to be built on pix.com.ng. So I leave this place empty. Take note. And you can give your site name. I can call it the pig shop. I can name it the pig blogger. Name it the pig blogger. The site description, I can call it pigs.com.ng. All these particular ones, when you go inside, I can actually change them. Enable multi-site. I want to encourage you to enable multi-site now so I don't get confused. You can build blogs.pix.com.ng. You can build 100 and plus number of sites under this one domain name. That's what that multiple sites talks about there. Then user admin. I call myself Pigsman, and I can create my password. I'm hiding my password for now. Because of the training, I don't want hackers to start worrying me. So I'll hide my password. I'll call it like this. So this is my password. I put in my password. Hide my password. So that's it. It's strong enough. Fill in my password. You can put your email here, but here I want to use the email I used to open the site, the pigpeopleshome@gmail.com. The pigpeopleshome@gmail.com. That's one I want to use. The pig people home at gmail.com. The pig people's home at gmail.com. The pig people's home at gmail.com. That's the email. Select in English, blah blah blah. And you scroll down here. Okay, scroll down here. Now there are different kind of templates. Over 100,000 people adding to the WordPress community.